Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Kraken wallet. The first thing you want to do is actually create an account. So here I am on Kraken.com. You just come to the top right, you can click on sign up and you'll be on this page. So you can create either a personal account or a business account. I will go ahead and use personal, and let's go ahead and enter our email address. There we go. I'll go ahead and click on next right here, and then you just enter a password. Okay, so I'll go ahead and type in my password. Make sure it meets the requirements set right here. So you can see this one meets the requirements. Click on next, choose your country of residence, toggle this one on, agree to terms and service, and then you basically create the account. And once the account has been created, you need to confirm your email. So go get that code pasted in. And then to create your wallet, all you need to do is here on the left-hand panel, click on portfolio, and then you can choose any cryptocurrency as well. And you can just go ahead and either deposit crypto or just buy, right? So I'll come here, I'll show you this other method where you go ahead and just deposit onto your portfolio. Now you need to verify yourself, and after you verify with your ID, they'll actually give you a wallet that you can deposit into. Okay, it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.